Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Science for You. Today, we will learn how to make the simplest electric motor ever. This project will be very interesting for our kids and is very easy to make with commonly available items. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, so that you do not miss any of my videos in the future. Thank you. Now, let us learn how to make the simplest electric motor working in DC voltage. For this project, you need just 3 components: enameled copper wire, a powerful permanent magnet, and a 18650 battery. First, wind the copper wire on any cylinder of around 1 inch diameter like a bottle or its cap, and make a total of 10 turns. Now, take out the coil from the cylinder and tie the coil together on both sides with a cello tape, so that the coil doesn't come out loose. Now, take a loop of the coil on both diametrically opposite ends as shown in the video. Now, remove insulation on both ends of the copper wire as shown. You can use any sharp object like scissors for removing the insulation thoroughly on both sides. Now, take a piece of wire of approximately 2 inches length and remove insulation on both sides as shown. Now make a loop on one side of the copper wire. Similarly, make another piece of wire with a loop at one end. This makes a total of 2 numbers. Now, take the 18650 battery and fix this wire with loop at one terminal by soldering. Similarly, fix the wire on the other terminal also by soldering. Now, it is time to make the motor. I fixed the battery on the table with glue, so that it doesn't move around. Now keep the magnet on top of the battery on one side as shown. Now, gently insert the coil into the loop at both sides of the battery as shown. Push the coil gently to start the rotation of the motor. Wow! You can see that the motor is rotating nicely. This motor works using principles of electromagnetism, which states that a force is applied on a conductor kept in a magnetic field when an electric current passes through it. This force creates a torque on a loop of wire present in the magnetic field, which causes the motor to spin. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting experiment and DIY projects in future. Thank you.